Hello friends, welcome to my channel Go Digit. As you know that we are learning the Copilot development for the Business Central from the past 2 weeks. In today's video as well, we will understand more about the Copilot development, and the topic which we will cover today is this: prompting using a floating action bar. So, what exactly this is? If I show you the customer page in the Business Central, this functionality of floating action bar is added in the Business Central since BC24 version. Right now, BC25 is the stable, so that means the previous version already seen this functionality. So what exactly this functionality is that wherever you want to add the Copilot prompt page into any of the existing business process, there you can add it as a button so that user can just click on it and directly run the or use the Copilot. And for example, currently I am on the customer page, so you can see this button, Copilot button here. This is so when you place your cursor, you can see that tooltip is saying start a Copilot prompt action, which means that just like the normal usual buttons we see on the ribbon, this button is also available. But why we are saying this as a bar, floating action bar, means that if I click on this and if I select this button or this action called show in page, so it will start showing you up here in the page itself, right? So which means that if I want, I can directly click on the buttons and open the prompt Copilot page, and I can pass the prompt and it will give me the results accordingly, right? So how we can do this thing, we will see it today. Although this we can hide as well if I don't want, so I can hide it also, and if I want to show it in a page, I can click on this. Basically this page is you cannot develop, it is by default in the Business Central. So whenever you add the Copilot button, this will show up. And now as you can see that two Copilot action buttons are showing up here. One is the analyze list, which is a standard BC action, and this is start magic is our custom Copilot page, right? So basically let's see how we can add this Copilot action bar here in today's video. So I have opened up the Visual Studio Code, and if you see here hello world.al, it says this is my Copilot experience page, which I just showed you up in the form of start magic button, right? So now what we can do is that, for example, if I want to add it in a uh, standard objects, standard pages like customer page, vendor page, and so on. So we need to create a page extension, and in this page extensions, in this action area, we need to define like add last, and then if you type here, you will see this option called prompting, right? So when you select this prompting here, it will show it will basically uh, reserved for this Copilot action button only on the pages, right? So you cannot use this uh, area for other type of action buttons. So this is the thing, that this is kind of a standard where prompting signifies to the compiler that whatever code, whatever actions you will add here, it will only contain the uh, Copilot action buttons, right? So for example, let's say uh, I can write down Copilot experience and then image as sparkle, Okay, caption as start magic, right? And then application area as all, and then trigger on action, begin end. Here the thing is that we have to directly run the page. Copilot experience, right? So this is something which we have to add, and when you add this up it will behave like this, that it will start showing your page here, and when you click on it, it will run the page directly, right? And now the thing is, in this area called prompting, it is not limited to one action button only, right? You can add multiple action buttons. Like if you really want, you can add one more action, and then let's say second Copilot. Here as well, image is equal to sparkle, caption is equals to, let's say, anything, marketing text, application area as all, trigger on action, begin end, and then page dot run, page Copilot marketing text, like this, right? And when you build this, you will not receive any error. So this is how basically that we can add multiple action of Copilot page into this prompting area, and then it will show you up the things like in this manner, and then I can add it up in my page itself, which is called the floating action bar. Similarly, like although we are adding it in a page extension, but if you really want that you want to add this action bar or this Copilot action button in a completely new page, so let's say right. Hmm. Okay. Uh, oh, sorry, it's wrong. It's defined as prompt mode prompt, which means it's a Copilot page I want to build, but I don't want to build Copilot page. Let me type a normal list page. All right, so I don't want any table, so let me delete this. I don't want any layout at the moment because I just want to show you up the things related to the actions, right? So if you see here actions, by default the processing thing is showing up, but if I want, I can select another area, and this time I can select prompting here, and then I can select action, and then Copilot page, which is again the same thing, that you can add image as sparkle, application area as all, and what you say, caption as uh, start magic, and trigger on action, begin end, page dot run, page Copilot experience. And when I build this, okay, I'm getting one error, let me see. All right, let me change it to this, and now I'm not getting any error, right? So this is how this floating action bar, or what you say, the Copilot action button, you can add in a new page also, or in a page extension object, which I just showed you up here in this manner, right? So this is one of the aspect in the Copilot development, that if we have any Copilot page and I want to add, I want to show it up to the user, so that user, just like user click a usual buttons, they can just run the Copilot page on the click of a button, right? And it becomes so easy for the people to use it, and it looks pleasant as well when you add it as a floating action bar on a page, right? Colorful and so on. So that's one of the small topic which I wanted to share today, because it's something, Copilot development is something which is very crucial for the coming days, as we know that the world is moving towards the AI. So whatever nitty gritty things are currently offered by the Microsoft, I want that we should learn all those basics things in a very proper manner, so that rather than showing you up everything in one video, it would be better that we will cover up small topics, so that we can easily understand what exactly being offered so far in the Copilot development for the Business Central. And then together, when we know the basics, we can consolidate everything and do the wholesome development of the complete business process which we are catering. So in this video, that's all about this prompting using a floating action bar. I will add this link here in the description section as well, so that you can read everything about it, right? That's all. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.